In this video, we will show that solo travel can be fun, and stay until the end we will show the vacation spots for solo travel. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. The question has been debated many times. Whether solo travel activities are more fun, and it depends entirely on the individual and the specific context. There are clear psychological and practical benefits to both solo and group activities, and what one person finds enjoyable, another might not. The case for solo travel? For many people, the enjoyment of solo activities comes from the freedom and a sense of self-reliance. Here's why someone might prefer going solo: freedom and flexibility. When you're on your own, you can do exactly what you want, when you want, without needing to compromise. You can change your plans on a whim, go at your own pace, and focus on your personal interests without worrying about what others think. Self-discovery and reflection. Solitude provides an opportunity to get to know yourself better. Without external distractions, you can reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and goals. This can lead to increased self-awareness and personal growth. Reduced stress and pressure. Group dynamics can be a source of stress. Whether it's the pressure to perform, the need to navigate different personalities, or the risk of conflict, social interactions can be draining. Solo activities can offer a peaceful mental reset and a break from these pressures. Enhanced creativity and focus. When you're alone, your mind is free to wander and think deeply. This can lead to new ideas and aha moments. Solo work can also improve concentration and memory, as you're not relying on others to fill in the gaps. The case for group activities. On the other hand, the fun of group activities often stems from connection and shared experiences. Here's why someone might prefer doing things with others: social connection and belonging. Humans are social creatures, and group activities fulfill a fundamental need for connection and belonging. Sharing experiences with others can create lasting memories and strengthen relationships. Motivation and accountability. Working or playing in a group can provide motivation and accountability. Whether it's an exercise class or a group project, the presence of others can push you to exert more effort and stay on track. Shared enjoyment and laughter. Certain activities are simply more fun with others. The collective energy, inside jokes, and shared reactions to an event can create a unique and amplified sense of enjoyment. Different perspectives and skills. Group activities allow for the pooling of diverse ideas and skills. This can lead to more creative solutions and a richer overall experience as you learn from and collaborate with others. It's a matter of preference and context. Ultimately, there is no single answer to what is more fun in general. It often comes down to personality. Introverts might find solo activities more recharging, while extroverts might find them draining. Activity type. Some activities are inherently better suited for one or the other. A story-driven, single-player video game is designed for solo play, while a team sport is meant for a group. Mood and energy levels. Your preference can change depending on how you're feeling. You might crave a quiet solo hike on one day and a lively group dinner on another. So, both solo and group activities have unique benefits that can contribute to a person's enjoyment and well-being. The key is to recognize your own needs and preferences and choose the type of activity that will bring you the most satisfaction in any given moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Many destinations around the world are well-suited for solo travelers, offering a mix of safety, accessibility, and opportunities for both solitude and social interaction. Here is a list of places that solo travelers are more likely to enjoy, along with the reasons why. Number 1 is Japan and why it's great for solo travelers. Their exceptional safety. Japan consistently ranks among the safest countries in the world, with a very low crime rate. This provides a great sense of security, especially for those who are new to solo travel. Their efficient public transportation. The country's train and subway systems are incredibly reliable, extensive, and easy to navigate. This makes getting around, whether in a major city or between different regions, a seamless experience. Is known for its solo dining culture. Dining alone is common and socially accepted. Many restaurants, particularly ramen shops and conveyor belt sushi spots, have counter seating specifically designed for solo diners. Normalized solitude. The culture values and respects personal space and independence, so being a solo traveler won't feel out of place. Number 2 is New Zealand and why it's great for solo travelers. It's adventure in nature. New Zealand is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. The country's stunning landscapes, from mountains and glaciers to fjords and beaches, are perfect for hiking, exploring, and engaging in adrenaline-fueled activities like bungee jumping and whitewater rafting. Known for safety and hospitality, as one of the world's most peaceful countries, New Zealand is very safe. The locals, known as Kiwis, are famously friendly and welcoming to visitors. Easy to meet people. The country's popularity with backpackers and adventure travelers means there are plenty of hostels and group tours, making it simple to connect with like-minded individuals if you want to. Flexibility in transportation. It's a great place for a road trip with a well-maintained road network. Renting a car gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace and discover hidden gems. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Number 3 is Iceland and why it's great for solo travelers. Highest safety rating is often ranked as the safest country in the world, making it an excellent choice for a worry-free trip. A unique natural phenomena which this country has. Their dramatic and otherworldly landscapes, including glaciers, volcanoes, black sand beaches, and the northern lights, are awe-inspiring. A solo trip allows for quiet contemplation and appreciation of these natural wonders. English is widely spoken. While Icelandic is the official language, the vast majority of the population speaks fluent English, which makes communication and navigation very easy. Adventure activities. You can easily join group tours for activities like glacier hiking, snorkeling, or exploring ice caves, providing a chance to meet people while still traveling independently. Number 4 is Costa Rica and why it's great for solo travelers. Adventure and biodiversity. Costa Rica is known as the adventure capital of Central America. It offers a wide range of activities, from ziplining and surfing to exploring rainforests and observing wildlife. Friendly locals. The local culture, often summed up by the phrase pura vida, a pure life, is incredibly welcoming and laid back. Strong tourism infrastructure. The country has a well-developed tourism sector with numerous tour operators, hostels, and eco-lodges that cater to independent travelers. It's easy to book excursions and meet other travelers. Political stability. Costa Rica is known for its strong political stability and peaceful environment, making it one of the safest countries in Latin America to explore alone. Number 5 is Spain and why it's great for solo travelers. Rich culture and history. Spain offers a vibrant mix of history, art, and delicious food. Its cities, like Madrid, Barcelona, and Seville, are easily walkable and filled with museums, historic sites, and lively neighborhoods. Lively social scene. The Spanish culture revolves around social interaction, but in a way that is also very welcoming to solo individuals. You can easily spend time at a tapas bar, striking up conversations with locals or other travelers. Reliable transportation. Spain's public transportation system, including high-speed trains and a well-connected metro, makes it simple and affordable to travel between cities. Safe cities. While like any major city, you should be mindful of your belongings, Spanish cities are generally safe and easy to navigate on your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Thank you for watching and ring that bell to receive notification on new videos.